Hey everybody, it's Carl from Apt, and we are going to do a quick video here and show you how to put the pedestals on the 65-inch version of the NU7100 series TV from Samsung. So as you can see here, it comes with these two pedestal legs. One's labeled R and one is labeled L, and those are going to correspond with how you're looking at the back of the TV. So the one labeled R is going to go on your right side as you're looking at the back. So you'll see the feet kind of angle out towards the edges of the TV, so you know you've got it right there. Plus there's really only one way you can get these to fit on properly. So what you're going to do, there's a little notch here, and that's going to line up with this notch in the back of the TV, and that's just going to slide into place and settle down into there. So it kind of moves back and forth, but it's not going to come out. And then you're going to take, you get 4 of these M4 by L14 screws. You're going to take 2 of those. And I would recommend starting with the bottom one first, just because it makes installing this a little bit easier, but you just drop that in and screw it into place here. We'll see if I can get that tightened down. And then you take the top one, drop that in, and that'll screw right into place as well. I would suggest using a longer screwdriver than we've got here, just something with a slightly longer neck, because it'll reach in there a little bit better. It can be a little awkward if you use a short one like this. And then you move over to the left side, and we're going to do the same process over on the left side. So you just hook that into place, take your 2 screws, drop the bottom one in first, and then the top one. Drop that in there. All right, and that's all there is to it. So your pedestal's all set up and it's ready to go.